All ready for the holidays?
No.
Oh, that makes two of us. Mm-hmm. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 is what we got, right? 2 and a 6. Two and a 6. Burner thermal switch open. Switch is open during call. Lockout. It's occurred. So we are in a lockout. So I'm going to try to reset this. See what's cracking. Excuse me. Got the light again. From the T-Stat. Look at this. Look at this. This should be over here.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, I know you wouldn't, big dummy. Alright. So this vent is closed here. We're gonna open it. Boom, bada bing. Okay, 1. Vent closed here. Vent closed there. Vent closed there. All these vents are closed, man. Close too many vents, and that will cause the unit to trip offline. Because the air just backs up. Okay. Let's see here. What else we got? Can I go in these other rooms, ma'am?
Yes.
Got a vent closed there. That one's closed down a little bit. Vent closed there. This vent's open. We got a vent closed. Oh, that one's open. So we got 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So you got like 4 or 5 vents closed, ma'am.
Yes, I know, because at first it would get too, like in the summertime.
That's your problem. You can't keep those vents closed. It's going to back up the system, overheat, and shut it down. Okay? So that's our problem. This trap needs to be moved over here, though. Trap's coming in here. It's not doing it any good. You got just gas is just going up and through here. The trap should be here before it goes into the furnace to catch the sediment from going into the gas valve. But yeah. All right. Let me go down here and talk to the customer, and yeah. All right. So now I don't have any, let's see, 3/4 copper in my van. It's in my truck. This ain't gonna hurt anything. I'm just gonna leave it. But now the gas will come in through here, come across, come down into this trap. Then it's gonna go into the furnace. Let me clean this up a little bit. Okay, whatever, it's fine. That's all right. All right, so on to the next one. Yeah, so that was a no heat call with ultra low NOx furnace. And this isn't just pertaining to ultra low NOx, this is with all furnaces. So what happened was, in the summertime, they were getting too much air downstairs. So they probably should have put a zoning system in there, or found a way to balance the air better, but they didn't. And they were too cold, so they closed off all the registers. There was like 10, 11 registers in the house. They closed off 5. So what that does is wintertime comes around, they turn the heater on. Now you got 5 vents closed, so that air has to have somewhere to go. It had nowhere to go. So what happens is it backs up into the furnace, heats it up, and it trips offline. So anyway, I got all those registers opened up for them. I put in a gas trap, a sediment trap for them, and they're good to go. But yeah, so for DIYers or homeowners, man, when it gets hot in your house, don't close the registers. That's not going to fix the problem. Get a licensed guy in there to get the air balanced properly. You can get it going to where you want to go with zoning systems or sensors, stuff like that. Don't just start closing registers, because that's going to cause problems, even with cooling, not just heating. All right? Thanks for watching, and it's on to the next one.